Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide.
For Chevy and GMC's 2011 to 2018 Silverado and Sierra 2500 HD and 3500 HD.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Remove your truck's cab. Unbolt your EVAP canister and set it aside. Step 3. Cut off the factory EVAP canister mount. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent the risk of rust development. Step 4. Hold your replacement EVAP mount up to the frame rail using the factory part silhouette to help with the alignment. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your EVAP mount onto the frame before welding it on fully. Weld 100% around all edges. Finally, paint the part with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Then you're done.